A group of star is known as. Right answer is galaxy. In which galaxy our solar system is located? Right answer is Milky Way. The study of universe is called. Right answer is cosmology. Which among the following is not a terrestrial planet? Right answer is Jupiter. Among the following, which planet take maximum time for one revolution around the sun? Right answer is Jupiter. Which planet looks reddish in night sky? Right answer is Mars. Which planet is known as morning star or the evening star? Right answer is Venus. The second largest planet in the solar system? Right answer is Saturn. The nearest planet to the sun? Right answer is Mercury. The biggest planet is. Right answer is Jupiter. The farthest planet from the sun? Right answer is Neptune. Which planet is known as red planet? Right answer is Mars. The hottest planet is. Right answer is Venus. What is the name of planet having largest number of natural satellite or moon? Right answer is Saturn. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Right answer is Venus. The upper part of India exosphere is called. Right answer is magnetosphere. Which of the following is the coldest region of the atmosphere? Right answer is mesosphere. The maximum height of mesosphere is. Right answer is 80 km. The nearest planet to the Earth is. Right answer is Venus. The amplitude of troposphere is. Right answer is 0 to 16 km. Which layer of atmosphere contain ozone layer? Right answer is a stratosphere. Tornadoes in another the name for cyclones in. Right answer is USA. Willy wheels is another name for. Right answer is cyclones. Egypt is also called gift of. Right answer is Nile River. Largest river of the world is. राइट आंसर इज अमेजोन। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं।